Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening File Explorer immediately. Press Windows key plus E or click the folder icon. Next, locate your target folder using Quick Access or the left navigation pane because that saves time. Once there, enable the Details pane and address bar so you can confirm file paths and metadata. Make sure to switch view modes, list, details, or icons, depending on the task. This affects sorting and selection behavior and helps you plan the next actions efficiently. Now you organize and manage files. You should create clear folders, new folder, and use consistent names, for example 2025-11-30 reports, so future searches succeed. Once done, select multiple files with Ctrl plus click or Shift plus click, then drag or use Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to move or copy. Make sure to sort and group by date, type, or size. Use the search box with file type, PDF, or wildcards to narrow results quickly. This reduces clutter and accelerates your workflow. To finish, prepare files for sharing and backup. You can compress a folder via right-click Send to compressed, zipped folder for email. Then copy critical folders to an external drive or cloud service and verify sizes and modified dates so nothing is missing. If something goes wrong, check permissions under Property Security and make sure the file is not in use. If Explorer becomes unresponsive, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager. This usually restores normal behavior without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.